On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Cheesy's Garage again. Today, I picked up this faucet I want to install. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I found one that's fairly inexpensive, and hopefully it's good quality. Feels pretty good, weight-wise. Basic instructions. So you see these in all the commercial kitchens for washing and rinsing off dishes. Comes with a flexible line, water supply tubes, labeled hot and cold, double O-ringed, and threaded in, right? Yep. And they go into the base here. Standard 1/4 inch fitting. So it locks it down to your sink base. Single lever hot and cold. Water strainers. As long as your water supply valve shut off. Should be an easy install. And I have an old 3-hole, so I'm going to have to find the stainless plugs to plug off the other 2 holes. Alright, let's get her hooked up. I left some dirty dishes, so I got some dishes to do. First thing we got to do is shut the water supply. Disconnect the supply tubes. The proper way is to clean your cabinet out first, of course. Alright, we're all disconnected. Maybe. Cold is on the right, like that. Put this on. I believe it goes this way. That's what it's showing here. It's kind of hard starting this nut.
That's what she said.
Turn them on, see what we got. No leaks. A little bit bigger washer under here would have been nice. Yeah, that's nice. Needs a little bigger washer. Other than that, it works pretty good. It's nice you can mix it and leave it. Not a bad little unit. Definitely no water savers. And there's also a lock if you want to do it that way. Not bad, not bad. I don't know if the wife's gonna like it.
Now that's what I call high quality tool.
Got my editing assistant here. Gonna be introduced when I get my van. Gizmo?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.